What's up guys, AK with DCCTRAIN. In today's it's like a summary video after all installation before final assembly. I want to show you something. So this is Installation Genesis SD70Ace. I did the same model like a year ago, pretty much same procedure. I'm using Nixtrainz that board and 21-pin Loksound version 5. The nice part of it, it has a tiny little board here. So if I take it out, I can use board with LED also. Nixtrainz. Adjust all my outputs. In this case, I use Lock Programmer. You can use JMRI with your digital system, and then you're ready to go. You plug it in. It's only going one way, has a key. Plugging in everything, and it's job done. So here's my wire management. And without board, and if I need to do something with the body, again, I can just take it out. LED, usually they're not burning, but whatever happened, easily just take it out. This model, watch for stuff on that shell because sometimes it's like small horns, antenna. This is just totally flat, so I'm not worried about it. And please use Kapton tape. This is Kapton tape, not electrical tape, or it's good stuff like masking tape painters using. So lately, after years, depends where's your layout, if you're traveling a lot, the sticky stuff kind of disintegrated or changing. So the tape by itself and that gooey stuff on your model inside. So no fun. Take it out. But overall, it's gives you like clean installation, and everything's cool. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one, and happy Thanksgiving. Bye bye.